everybody, this is Julie of Yoga and Pilates by Julie. One of the funnest exercises I think in the Pilates repertoire is the boomerang. It is open leg rocker combined with teaser, combined with the crab, which is a hellacious exercise that we won't get to today, but I wanted to show it. It is advanced repertoire, so ensure that you have the back strength to be able to hold yourself up on your back rather than collapsing into your head and neck, because we wouldn't want to cause any tension on your cervical spine. So with that, if you've mastered all three of the previous aforementioned exercises, let's move ahead. So I have Rudy here, so I can add that to the exercise. But right leg is going to cross over the left, and we're zippering the thighs all the way up. Now, as usual, we go into that C curve, ribs and belly back, ribs and belly back, ribs and belly back. And here's part of that open leg rocker, because those legs just lift on up. And then I balance here on my back, open, close the legs, just like crab. And then I come forward. I tease gravity, holding those legs up. My hands come behind me. I extend, lift my chest. With control, lower the legs. And then we start from the beginning. This time, left leg's going to be over the right. We lean back. We lean back, we lean back, legs float up. I'm holding on my back, open, close the legs. We tease, hands behind the back, lift the chest, and then with control, lower the legs, and then we release. Let's demonstrate one more time. Lean, 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 and then open, close. Notice how my head and neck didn't even touch here. Teaser. Oh, I'm getting tired. Now we lean, C curve, scooping out that belly, and last time, open, close, and then we tease, gravity, and boomerang, up and around. That's the boomerang. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any comments for me, please leave them below, and hit the like button if you want to see more great free content. Subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.